All right, well, we got everything all prepped and ready to go for the most part here, and was able to get this handle taken apart. It had a pin in it and pressed that out. Here's the base of it, and here's the kick plate on the bottom. It was in really rough shape. I used the Loctite brand naval jelly on it, and all the rusty spots on here as well. And it basically just kind of blackened them up. Hopefully stabilize the rusty parts. We're going to go with it. I mean, it's just a refrigerator after all. And we did our body work in the few areas. We got one place there, and the fridge here's got a couple of spots on it. Got that one, got this, and there's one there, one there. Those are feathered out and blocked out good in 240, I believe. So anyway, we're gonna hit these with 2 coats of epoxy and 2 coats of Evercoat Featherfill G2 or G4, whatever it is. We'll come back and show you as we mix it up and get ready to spray. All right, got some Omni epoxy in here, and I've lost the lid to my gun, so we're making do with what we got. Some tape there. Hopefully that holds up a little bit. And Mike McKay will be happy to know that we let this epoxy set up for about 20 minutes here, so we're good to go now. well, we got the epoxy laid down. We used some of the black we had left over from the trailer project. And I don't know if you could hear it in the video, but the gun was sputtering really, really bad. I mean, it was good enough to get epoxy sprayed down, but it was a little bit of a hassle and aggravating. And so, in addition to not having the cap, I also didn't have this guy in there. And I'm guessing that caused the problem. But I've taken the gun apart, cleaned it real good. We got our next product mixed up here, which is going to be the polyester primer, Featherfill G2 there from Overcoat. So I got another quart of it. We'll see. I want to get at least 2 coats on this thing to cover all those deep scratches up. So the epoxy's pretty well flashed off. We're going to let it sit probably another 5 minutes or so, 10 maybe, and then we'll get to spraying this. All right, we're going to try to take you along for the ride GoPro style here. Alright, well, we sprayed 2 coats of the Featherfill on there, and everything came out good. The gun worked a ton better with the, the correct parts installed. So you can see it went on there pretty smooth. I added like 5% reducer to it. I know Matt Foose from Shut Your Foose Garage, lead designer over there, Flame, scallop designer, says really you don't need to put reducer in there, but I don't know, I got a 2.2 tip on that gun and it just seems to spray out if I put a little bit of reducer in it. So anyway, I don't know how the cam action showed up there, but we'll upload this and take a look and find out. Alright, that's it for tonight. We'll come back hopefully with it painted tomorrow night. See ya.